Good day, everyone. I'm at the Brock job over in Grand Lake. Look at that beautiful equipment set. This is a project that I was right at 8.5 weeks, start to finish. Let's have a quick look. This pool was 14 by 32. Did a recessed step, not to take up swimming space. We offset the spa just a skosh. Notice the beautiful spillway. And what we do, what a lot of people don't do or don't brief the client, is proper therapy jets. We've got 2 triple head therapy jets that truly put out a lot of pressure on your back to give you a massage. Most of the time, most people just put the little standard single. We don't do that. This is a luxury pool. You have to have luxury features and benefits. Beautiful. And notice the color of the water. They went with the light pool interior. Put the little diamonds on the steps for safety. There's a bench going all the way across the back, so they can sit back under here and enjoy friends and family and watching some sports. Beautiful screen enclosure. This pool is fully automated, and we got every inch out of it. They had a 5-foot setback. We got every inch out of it. So yeah, just a quick little overview. We're going through the quick start process, adding the chemicals, the salt. But yeah, 8.5 weeks, something like this can be yours. We can't promise everyone will take that long, but our other client, 3 houses down, they are at 9 weeks, and we're putting plaster today. They'll see water in their pool tomorrow, and then we'll do the quick start on them. So a quick overview. Y'all have a very blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.